Welcome back to the channel. I'm Rayla, and today I have a quick tutorial for you on how to use Pucker and Bloat, that tool in Adobe Illustrator. When I learned how to do this, my mind was blown. So many options. So this effect is super fun for creating unique shapes and designs. So let's dive in. Start by opening Adobe Illustrator and creating a new document. And then you're going to draw any basic shape. Could be a rectangle, could be a star. For today, we will do a circle. And to make the proportions proper, I'm gonna hold down Shift to keep it as a circle, or I can let go and make any shape like that, but I like to keep it as a proportionate circle for today. So select your shape and then go to the top menu and click Effect, and then Distort and Transform. And right here, there are different options, but we're going to pucker and bloat today. So in the dialog box, you'll see a slider. Moving the slider to the left applies to the pucker effect, which really pulls the anchor points inward, creating sharp, spiky edges. And then the bloat, just how it sounds, which pushes the anchor points inward, creating soft, rounded edges. So let's try puckering first. You're going to go just pull this to the left, and now a new starburst shape. So, and then you can slide it to the right and you get more of a bubble-like shape. So it's pretty cool, right? So in the best part, you can always preview your changes before committing to the effect. So right now I can still just kind of mess with it. I think I want to go over here and do more of a pucker. That's kind of cool. And oh, let's look at it and let's go more to a bloat. That would be a pretty flower. And I think what I'll do is I kind of like this shape. So more of a bloat like a flower for today, and then you click OK, and then it just gives you that shape. You can use this shape for a larger design if you wanted to tweak it, and there are so many options. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to use the Pucker and Bloat tool in Adobe Illustrator. I'd love to see what you create with this effect, so share your designs in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more creative tutorials. See you next time. Bye-bye.